How to use Apple ID recovery key feature. To use the Apple ID recovery key feature, first of all, you have to generate a unique 28 character code that acts as your ultimate safety net. So first things first, you have to turn on the recovery key. Go ahead and launch the settings application on your iPhone or iPad, then tap your name at the very top. Then select the sign in and security option. From there, you simply have to now scroll down and tap the account recovery option. Once you tap the account recovery key, you simply have to turn it on and then proceed to enter your device passcode when prompted. Now you simply have to write the code exactly down as it appears. Tap next or continue, and then to ensure you copied it correctly, your device will force you to retype the exact 28 character code once again. Once verified, the feature will be officially turned on. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.